Hi, welcome to the woods. This pause is about noticing your monkey mind, that restless chatter that swings from branch to branch. First, let's take a deep breath in and out, and in and out. With each breath, notice the noise inside, the lists, the plans, the what-ifs. This is your monkey mind, always busy, always excitable. Now, let's look outwards. Hear the wind stirring the branches. Then it softens. Just like the monkey mind, it shifts and changes. On the forest floor, see mushrooms push through the soil. Not by rushing, but by waiting, patient until the moment is right. Your creativity is just the same. Beneath the noise, new ideas form if you give them the space to rise. Beside you, a tree stands rooted and calm. Its leaves drift gently down, letting go of what's no longer needed, making space for new growth. When you return to your creative work, the chatter will still be there, but beyond it lies the quiet, where imagination rises. One last breath in and out. Now carry this quiet current of creativity into your day and see what unfolds. Thank you.